no, sir, they talk. Yes, I'm the one talking. You see your life? You see your life? God has blessed me. God has changed my life. Now I'm chilling with the big boys. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I'm telling you, idiot. See, that broken heart you give me, that thunder go fire you. I'm telling you. Deborah, you. That broken heart you give me, thunder fire you. Wait some more. Wait some more. It's going to be all right. It's going to be all right. You gave me broken heart, Deborah. Now see me. I'm a CEO, Deborah. No, leave my line. Leave my line. Yeah. What a bombshell. See, idiot. All this guess. You can't wait. You can't wait. Hello? Anita, see. You know I'm a disciplined CEO. You know I don't joke with my work. I've told you, anytime you see me in the office, let my document be on my desk ASAP. Don't delay. Oh, what's this? What do I pay you for? No, what's the reason why I'm paying you? You think I'm joking? Do you know how I became CEO? Do you know the struggles? Idiot, don't explain yourself. What is secretaries?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my darling. How may I help you? No, I don't fuck up. I don't fuck up, I know. But the thing is, I just wanted to... This network by...
No, sir. Gather yourself and get out of my office.
My ladies first.
Hold on. Did anyone look for me?
No. Yes, ma.
Who?
The accountant. She wanted to discuss with you. She wanted to have a discussion with you.
Who else?
No one again.
No one?
Yes, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Okay. On your way, just help me check if Mr. Kofi is in his office.
The GM?
No. Ask me again.
The GM secretary told me that you don't Japan.
In English, please.
Mr. Kofi Benjamin has resigned.
Resigned?
Sure.
That's not possible. It's fine, just leave. Go.
Are you sure?
Musa.
No.
Get out!
When you dream.
Go! Oh!
You never know how it feels to walk a mile in my shoes.